GHG Calculator is a Microsoft Office add-in for Excel. It is intended to provide municipal decision makers with a reasonable and accurate estimate of the energy consumption and GHG emissions impact associated with projects under consideration as part of municipal budgeting and capital planning processes. With this tool, users can create projects to estimate the impacts of municipal activities. Within any given project, users are able to define a variety of capital and policy-related actions. Once inputs have been defined for those actions, the calculator will generate detailed worksheets with the modeling outputs from those actions. If a project has multiple actions, the combined results are summarized in a project worksheet. Additionally, users are able to share projects and collaborate with other users.